it's a rather negative connotation. It's not something positive that they look at. It's more just a box ticking episode of, have we checked this? Have we issued that contract?
Exactly. And they're the ones that will never really experience and enjoy the benefits that a good HR practitioner can bring. An HR practitioner, a good HR business or practitioner, should work hand in hand with the senior management team, ideally the CEO. And that's been my experience over the years of my career. As much as, what I would say is, it's not a tick box exercise. And if you treat it, you get out of it what you put into it. And the businesses that do very well have a senior HR person at the board table who's involved in all of the strategic decisions and knows exactly how to tailor the service for their people to achieve the corporate objectives. And if you just see it as a tick box exercise, then no.